Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout. No trade recommendations, no trade signals, not selling indicators. This is just my trade journal. And we're going to do price action, order flow levels Monday, June 26, 23. Price imbalances, draws on liquidity, and order flow levels. Let's get to it. 24-hour chart. So 11 days, and we've had 6 of 11 so far on a continuum of downtrend. And we've poked into the middle of this yellow rectangle, which is a fair value gap. So let's see if we can lay a candle body over it. It's Monday, and we have no news events happening at the 8:30 Eastern time. So this is a big news week, though. It's just not going to happen on Monday, at least not scheduled news events. So again, the fair value gap right here, and I'm looking at this red middle Bollinger Band, 4360. Definitely we could go lower this week. We'll see. We're going to close the week. We're going to close the month and the quarter and the midpoint of the year. So a big milestone, and we left a lot of gaps above here. So that's it for the 24. I want to go down and talk about the benchmark 15-minute. Let's do this. Okay, here we have the benchmark 15 minutes. So this has been very mechanical. So I took the high of the Globex Asia session before the New York midnight open and went down and measured the low here of Friday. And that came in right here. You can see June 23rd, we got 8150. And so we drew a fib on it. And you could see here the low hit on this level, which is the London session low. So that was the London session raid time zone of that low. And here we are. The key level is going to be this new week open gap, this deep yellow rectangle. So that low is 88.50. The high is going to come in right around 43.90, 43.88.50 by 43.90. Okay, so I do expect price to tag that at some point in the RTH session. And I'm just looking here at the liquidity that happened busting through these Friday lows. These are the PM lows on Friday, and London did that already. So the next level up, in my opinion, would be new week open gap. So there you have it. That's the basic that I've got. London opened way up here at 43.95, and above that, we've got New York midnight open and a 15-minute fair value gap up here on this area, and then we still have the inversion fair value gap from Friday levels. So a lot to cover. Again, the Friday high, I will note that 44.08 was the high for the PM session. So the low, we've already covered that. That came in at 81.50. So that's a lot of range up here to recover. We'll see what RTH wants to reprice, at least in the AM session. So I'm going to be looking at that, specifically the silver bullet 10 to 11 time frame on the RTH, since we have no news on the 8:30. That's it for the 15-minute benchmark. Let's cover the Renko next. Renko, so where are we? We are almost about ready to tag the red Keltner, and looky this, right there on the new week open gap that we pointed out on the benchmark. That is the key level, 88.50 by 90. So that's in the middle, and that's a no-fly zone for initiating new positions on the Renko at least. Lower Keltner, lower blue, 33.66. And the low on that Europe sell side liquidity was 43.76.25. That's on this line here. And the high, the PM session high for Friday was up here at 44.08. So right now I'm flat. I've got no positions. I definitely took some sequences for the London and Asia session. Definitely I got flat. I'm going to just wait for my setup in the RTH AM. I don't plan on doing the afternoon because I expect a lot of volatility happening Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe even Thursday and Friday. We've got a big news report Friday. So this Renko right here, again, is not giving me any signal. whereas I already had some basic signals from the benchmark. So this isn't going to be relevant, but I wanted to show it in my journal because right now I'm sticking with the benchmark, the higher time frame on the 24. Downtrend is still in place. So if we get a big upthrust on any major news, I'll be looking to short if I get the right entry and the signal and the time matches. So that's a wrap for the Monday session. Take care. Thanks for watching. And I want to shout out to current subscribers and those of you that are on the fence thinking about it. I encourage you to do. This is all about journaling and how it helps with the trading. Take care. Aloha. Bye.